Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to channel Tech 100 Digital. Today we will learn the video overlay, that how we can add a video in a video or how to add two clips in one video. For this we will need our material for the project. For this we need to add the video clips and the pictures onto the project files. So I have imported already. So I will remove the existing one. Let's add one of the clip to the track number 4 and go to the properties. Under the scale X options, we will set it to adjust according to the screen, like 49% or 50% should be enough. And yeah, so 49% is okay. So let's now see on the screen how it looks like. Now we need to move it on the left side because it's currently on the center. So for this we need to set its location X and Y. Y looks good, so let's see on the X side. From here we can drag and adjust onto its proper location. So like this. So it seems like minus 0.26 is enough. Now I will add other clip to run both clip parallel on one screen, and again we'll go to the properties of the second clip, set its scale X properties, and we will keep it to 49 or 48%, and then we'll set its location X properties and move it to the right side so that it should look fit on the screen. As we see that both clips are very nice fitted on the screen and not much visible. Now let's play them. Wow, looks good. Now we'll remove this. We can do the same thing manually without going to the properties and setting the numbers. So adding the clip, click onto the transform, and we'll see that there are blue dots which can be used to adjust the clip or picture, and I will adjust according to this. I will drag by catching this to the left side to fit on the screen, almost to keep the half of the screen. Now I will take other clip, go to the transform and catch it from the blue dot and adjust it on the screen as you see it. Now take it from the center and drag it to the proper location. We can set it any time actually manually. So this is other way how we can adjust both of the clip on one screen. Actually we can add as many as clip as we want, but I just added at this point only 2. And I just leave little bit gap in the center so that this should be a little bit differentiation, that both clips are separate. Now I will run and see how it looks like. Wow, both looks good as they were before. Once our video is ready, then we can go to the export button, and by setting the properties we can export the file. I will remove these 2 files and then we can add a same video into the same video as an overlay. So let's add one clip into the track number 4 and take the same video and put it onto the track 4, and right click, go to the transform and click on the blue dot to adjust the size and locations. So I will drag and then adjust it according to the video. So I will put it onto the right top like this. It can be adjusted, and then let's play it. Wow, you can see that both video are playing into as a one video. So it is nice and easy with OpenShot. Now we will export this video. Click on the export button, change the name and keep the path we want to keep, then click on all format to choose for the web if we want to upload onto the YouTube, and then from here select YouTube HD and export video. And this is the way that like how we can add video and picture as an overlay. Keep watching Tech 100 Digital for more information. Until the next video, Allah Hafiz.